To make a new post, you can click on Post, Add New. Here you have a few fields, one for a title and one for content. You will see some formatting tools at the top of the content box, where you can add common formats such as bold, italic, bullet points, change the alignment of the content. You will also see a button which will expand the toolbar to show a few more options. To the right at the top of the box you will also notice two tabs, Visual and HTML. You can write your content with HTML if you prefer. In the HTML section you will see a few common HTML elements, such as making something bold or creating a hyperlink. You will also notice under the title a permalink has now been created for your post. If you have set up permalinks to use the post name, this will get the name based on the title. If you wanted to change the permalink, you can press Edit. You will only be able to edit the part after the final slash. Once happy, click OK. To the right you will see some boxes, Publish, Categories, Tags and Featured Image. If you have set up categories, you will see them here. You can select which categories you want this post to appear in. You can also add which tags you want to be associated with your post. If you use frequent tags, you can click Choose from the most used tags, and you will see a list of tags you have used for you to choose from. In the Featured Image section, you can add an image which, depending on your theme, will show up in the list of posts or even on the post page under the title. Click Set Featured Image and you can upload an image from your computer or from a URL, or you can use an image already in your media library. Click Media Library and choose which image you want to use. Click Show and click Use as Featured Image. You will notice other properties you can change, but featured images normally show as coded per theme, so you won't need to worry too much for a featured image. In the Publish section, you can preview the post. You can also choose whether you want the post to appear publicly or private, and you can choose to publish the post immediately or at a certain time. When you have finished, you can either save as a draft or publish, or if things have gone really wrong, you can move it to trash. To create a new page is very similar to creating new post. Click Pages, Add New. Again, you have the section for the title and content. This all works in pretty much the same way. This time though, you'll notice at the side a Page Attributes section. Here you can select whether this page will be the child of another page by choosing the parent. You can also choose which template this page will follow. This selection will only be available if your theme actually has page templates available. And finally, you can select the order. The default order will be the order that the pages were made in, but if your order needed to be changed for any reason, you would use this. Again, you can add a featured image. Now, if you actually want an image to appear in the page content, instead, you will find out about the content box. It says Upload, Insert. Click the little icon here and a box will open. Again, you can either upload a new image or choose one from your library. So let's try that same image we featured in the post. Click Show. You will see the same options as before, but this time we are going to make some edits. You can change the title, add some alt text, a caption and a description. You will see where it says Link URL. You can choose that when the image is clicked, you are taken to the actual file or to an attachment page. Or you can select None, which will remove the hyperlink from the image so it is no longer clickable. The last two things you can select is the alignment of the image and size. Once selected, you choose Insert into Post.